Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to link Exness with MetaTrader 5 in mobile. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness app. And now let's open a demo account. So click on the plus here at the top right and click on continue. Choose demo here. You can choose real if you want. It's the same thing. And we have here the type standard currency USD. Max leverage 1 to 2000. You can change the leverage if you want. And we have here the platform. Make sure you choose MT5 because this video is about MT5. Okay. And we have here nickname. You can give it a nickname if you want. It can be anything. So I will type, for example, apt like this. Click on save, changes, and click on continue. Now you have to give it a password and you have to remember this password. Okay. So I will type, for example, this password. Make sure your password checks all these boxes here. Okay, now click on create account. And now, as you can see, this is our new account, Abo. Now click on details here, click on deposit, and you can add a balance. So let's say, for example, $450, 450. Click on done and click on continue. Now we have our balance, as you can see. Now you have to go to MetaTrader 5, click on add trading account. And here at the top on find broker, type Exness. Click on search and here look for this one. Exness Technologies Ltd. Click on it. Now you have to add your login, your password, and the server. So let's go back to Exness. Click on details. Click on settings. And the login is this one, as you can see. So copy it. Let's go back to MetaTrader 5 and let's paste it here. Now you have to add the password. I told you that you have to remember the password. So I will type it here. And we have here the server. Let's choose the server. It's Exness MT5 trial 16. MT5 trial 16. This is real. Okay, this one. And click on login. And now, as you can see, this is our demo account, Abo, with $450. As you can see, this one. Now, if we click on trade and you click on charts, you will see the charts here, as you can see. In that set, this is how you can link Exness broker with MetaTrader 5 on mobile. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.